Okay, I'm Paul Begley. Are you serious? There's a rain coming down like you wouldn't believe, like cats and dogs. Hail. Literally. Look at this hail. Look at this hail. Wind is swirling, the sky's whipping, rain's coming down. This is a real Indiana storm. The storm is coming in your life. Are you ready for it? The Bible talks about a wind and a rain and hail falling and mixed with blood and fire. Now, we're not having that today, but I just want, and it even talks about hail the size of a hut. This is insane. I've been in Indiana 49 years in the rain. Are you saved? What are you going to do? Whoa! Whoa! What are you going to do when the rain and the storm and the hail and the lightning starts to come upon the earth? Will you be saved? I gotta get out of this. It's too late. It's like the days of Noah. I'll talk to you later. Oh. Maybe I'll go back out and look. Gene, get back out here. No! Woo! That's insane. I hope that lightning's got to be right over here. Can you see? Can you see? I can't take it no more. Look, turn this thing off.